Good evening. It's Monday, and this is really the beginning of our online class. I'm sorry I am so late with this because I was given this class in lieu of one of my own that was not filling up. So I had to sort of scramble and catch up with this, and I really apologize because some of you thought this was totally online class, and then I said no, it wasn't. But now we are going to be totally online. Unfortunately, online teaching is not something that I really enjoy, to say the least, because I so much enjoy being in the classroom with my students. But this is what we have, and I think that you will enjoy the class, even though we will not get to see each other face to face. My name is Miss Bell. I have been teaching at Skyline College for the last 30 years. 10 of those years were part-time. The other 20 years was as a full-time faculty member. And I have taught so many different types of classes at Skyline, from the history and politics of the Middle East to the ethnic studies, ethnic groups in the United States. I've taught a class and I've written a class on the Holocaust, women and the American experience, plus your usual bread and butter, as we call them, history classes, U.S. History 1 and U.S. History 2. So a few things about me, even though I put it in the welcome and introduction, is that I am an extremely passionate person about social justice. I don't come from a family where social justice was embraced, to say the least. You have to remember I'm a 1951 I was born, and I lived in a segregated neighborhood for much of my first 20, 30 years of life. So all the things that I learned about social justice and ethnic groups and racial groups, I pretty much learned on my own. And when I started college in 1972, my eyes and my mind was just opened so completely that I think going to college was the best thing I ever did for myself. And I do hope you feel the same way. So how we're going to run this class is basically, I will be hopefully able to free load much of your assignments. You'll notice a few things about my class is I tend to give you plenty of time to complete your assignments. I don't accept late assignments, and the reason I don't is because when I was doing face-to-face classes, I didn't accept late assignments, and certainly I wanted to keep some sort of routine for us to keep us focused. But I also will tell you that I'm very flexible, so if you run into problems when you read on the syllabus, I really ask that you communicate with me very quickly so we can solve any problem that you might have. Okay. I think it would be a really good idea for you to look at the syllabus. I will put up another short video just focusing on the syllabus, and then we can start talking about what exactly is ethnic studies. I have a little bit of an assignment that I'm going to put up for you. I would definitely like for you to look at the first module, which is what is ethnic studies. And I gather what I'm going to have to do then is to create numerous small short videos for us, since we are not going to be having Zoom sessions. Okay, so welcome aboard, and I will follow up with a number of small videos, and I really hope that you enjoy this class as much as I will enjoy sharing ideas and information with you. Thank you.